Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from FirstCry Parenting.
Carrot and spinach puree recipe. Carrot purees are sweet, mild on the tummy, and full of nutrition. Learn how to make this super healthy carrot spinach puree in just a few simple steps. Preparation time: 5 minutes. Cooking time: 15 minutes. Total time: 20 minutes. Great for babies who are over 7 months old who are being introduced to green leafy vegetables. Meal schedule: mid-morning snack or lunch. Ingredients: tender carrot, fresh, organic. Spinach leaves, fresh, organic. Cumin powder, asafoetida or hing. Clean the spinach leaves by rinsing them thoroughly with cold water multiple times. Chop the tender carrots into small cubes, and finely chop the spinach leaves. To tenderize, mix the two and steam in a pressure cooker with a cup of water and turn off the burner after 2 whistles. Wait for the steam to completely release and use a blender to finely mash the ingredients. It's important to throw the water used for steaming as it will contain excess nitrates from the spinach. Do not use this water. Add a pinch of cumin powder and hing and mix thoroughly before serving. Recipe tips: you can control the texture by how long you blend the ingredients to make it suitable for your baby. You can add other ingredients to it, such as a small portion of chicken, peas, lentils, or potatoes. If your baby likes it a bit sweeter, use baby carrots and spinach for a milder, sweeter taste. Rich in all the essential nutrients and fiber, this simple carrot and spinach recipe is something your little one will crave every week.